Our cooked or canned chickpeas to the boiling water, and we're also adding our cooked wheat berries. So if you don't have an Instapot, when you cook your wheat berries, they could cook on top of a stove for about 40 minutes. An egg mixture, we added about 6 tablespoons of flour. Stir it well.
Yes.
And we have about 16 ounces of yogurt, which is about half of a 2-pound container.
When you cook yogurt itself, you know how it just becomes like a cheese? It's very hard to keep that mixture of the original taste of the yogurt. The main point of putting the egg and flour to keep that original the way.
Very important step. After you have your yogurt mixture, add your boiling water to it to temper it before you add it to the rest of the soup. Okay, so our soup's been cooking. We're adding our diluted yogurt that's been tempered. It has flour and egg in it. In the event you don't want to make the soup with wheat berry, you can also substitute it. You can substitute brown rice for the wheat berry. And this will cook for approximately 30 minutes after adding the yogurt mixture. Add some salt.
The tricky part about this soup is to mix it till it boils. Otherwise, your mixture of the soup will be not originally made from the yogurt. It will be something else.
Very important that once you've added your yogurt, water, egg, and flour mixture to the soup that you stir it constantly to get the right texture and consistency. And in the event that you don't want to use wheat berry, you can substitute it for brown rice. And then to this, you're going to add the juice of 1 fresh lemon. Now we have our yogurt soup. It has wheat berries, it has chickpeas, and this should be very healthy and very delicious. Butter and olive oil sizzling away, and what's in there? And dried mint, and we're adding this together, and it will be, that's to infuse the flavor of the dried mint with the melted butter and olive oil. To this, we're adding some smoked paprika, red paprika, smoked red paprika.
What color?
The best part, we're going to pour this over the soup, and you can see it's going to sizzle, and this adds a lot of flavor to the soup.